Morning class 10 SE Trigonometry part 5 for 20 marks. Yeah. Question number 4AB 9 ABC 16 17 18. I have solved some questions and please comment के कस्तो छ गाह्रो छ कृपया कमेन्ट गरिदिनु होला अनि हामीलाई पनि सजिलो हुन्छ. Now I'm going to continue question number 4A. Express sin thrice beta and cos thrice alpha in terms of sin beta and cos alpha respectively. नेपालीमा साइन थ्राइस बिटालाई साइन बिटाको टर्म्समा र कस 3 अल्फालाई कस अल्फाको टर्म्समा यसलाई एक्सप्रेस गर्ने अर्थात् व्यक्त गर्ने फर नेपालीमा पढ्नेहरूलाई पनि यो हुन्छ. Now the answer is as follows. See. Solution. Sin thrice beta equal thrice sin beta minus 4 sin cube beta. 3 beta multiply 3 sin beta minus 4 sin cube beta. Another cos thrice alpha. See, cos thrice alpha in terms of cos alpha 4 cos cube alpha minus 3 cos alpha. If the question is express 3 sin 3 beta 3 sin beta minus 4 sin cube beta cos thrice alpha 4 cos cube alpha minus 3 cos alpha. Question number 4A. Question number 4B is solve tan theta. Solve for theta. The question is tan theta plus root 3 equal 0 or tan theta equal minus root 3 plus becomes minus. Again, this formula is applicable either to prove or to find the value, or tan is negative. See, tan is negative. All positive, sin cosec, tan cot, cos and sec. Tan is negative in the second and third. So second and fourth. All positive, tan cot positive. Sin cosec, cosec. That means tan theta equal minus. In the second quadrant ma parne ko लागि 180 minus 60. Because tan 60 degree equal root 3, it means tan 180 minus 60 equal minus root 3. In the same way, tan 360 degree minus 60 degree lies in the fourth quadrant. So, theta 180 minus 60, 120. 360 minus 60, 300 degree answer. See, two values. It is very an easy case. So question number 9A. The 9A is sin 75 plus cos 75 degree. See, evaluate sin 75 degree plus either cos 75 degree or sin 15 degree without using a calculator. If there is sin and cos, change both sin or both cos. You have to find the value of this without using a calculator. Remember, without using a calculator. How to calculate? Sin plus sin, 2 sin cos, 2 sin A plus B by 2 into cos A minus B by 2. Remember, sine plus sine, 2 sine cos. What is the technique? Sine plus sine, 2 sine cos. I just write down the key formula. अर्थात यो छोटोमा लेखेको फर्मुला sin A plus sin B equal 2 sin A plus B by 2. What is the formula? 2 sin A plus B by 2 into cos A minus B by 2. अर्थात यो अगाडिकोलाई A पछाडिकोलाई B मान्ने र 2 लेख्ने अगाडि sin दुईटा प्लस गर्ने डिभाइड बाई 2 फेरि cosमा जाने A minus B by 2. Sin plus sin 2 sin cos. 2 sin 75 plus 15 90 by 2 degree into cos 75 minus 15 60 by 2 degree. Then 2 sin, remember, can you cut these two and these two? No, you 2 र you 2 काट्न पाइदैन. This is the coefficient, this is the angle. But you can cut these two at 90. 45 degree cos 30 degree. 2. See, sin 45 degree, or you can 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2. Root 2 र root 2 भनेको 2 नै हो. Sin 45 degree is 1 by root 2. Cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2. Now you can, it is not necessary to convert this. 2 into sin 45 1 by root 2 cos 30 root 3 by 2. 2 to cancel, 3 by 2 root 3 by root 2. If you want to change, you can multiply by root 2, but that is the answer. Or root 3 by root 2 is the answer. Again check, sin plus sin 2 sin cos, 2 sin 45 2 is 2, sin 45 root 2 cos 30 root 3 by 2. Sin 60 is also root 3 by 2. This is the answer. At last, you have to write down the answer. 9A. For question number 9B. What is the question number 9B? Prove that. You have to prove that. For short question, prove that 1 plus cos twice alpha plus sin twice alpha upon 1 minus cos twice alpha plus sin twice alpha equal cot alpha. If the question is wrong, you have to check the answer. 1 plus cos, this is left side. Left hand side is 1 plus cos twice alpha plus sin twice alpha upon 1 minus cos twice alpha plus sin twice alpha. See, cos twice alpha 2 times, sin 2 alpha formula. For the numerator, cos 2 alpha is 2 cos square alpha minus 1. For the denominator, cos 2 alpha is 1 minus 2 sin square alpha. Why? Cot is cos by sin. Cot भनेको cos upon sin. Remember, cot cos by sin. माथि cos आउने गरी र तल sin आउने गरी formula राख्ने. Put use the formula of cos 2 alpha in terms of cos alpha, but denominator cos 2 alpha in terms of sin alpha. So what you have to write? So that the 1 is cancelled. Cos 2 alpha is twice cos square alpha minus 1 sin 2 alpha 2 sin alpha cos alpha 1 minus cos 2 alpha is 1 minus 2 sin square alpha. Many students are confused and they make a mistake in this case, in case of minus. Is this formula correct? Yes, the formula is correct. And what is the mistake there? There is minus, there is minus. You have to use a bracket. Remember, use a bracket. Why? Because there is minus sign, so use the bracket. Sin 2 alpha, 2 sin alpha, cos alpha. Here, double angle formula. Remember, double angle formula. Or the reason is not necessary. Now, remove the bracket. Here, bracket is not necessary because there is plus sign. If there is minus sign, bracket is necessary. Plus somebody bracket नराखे पनि हुन्छ, minus समझी bracket compulsory चाहिन्छ. Now, one cancel. Twice cos square alpha plus twice sin alpha cos alpha upon 1 minus 1 plus twice sin square alpha plus 2 sin alpha cos alpha, 1 cancel. Now, what you do? 2 cos alpha common. Remaining is cos alpha plus sin alpha. 2 cos alpha common from both. And there, in the denominator, 2 sin alpha common sin alpha plus cos alpha is remaining. Then what is left? Cos by sin is left. Cos alpha by sin alpha is left. And that is cot alpha RHS proof. नेपाली माथिको अंशमा cos 2 alpha को फर्मुला 2 cos square alpha minus 1 cos आउने गरी because there is cos by sin. Denominator अर्थात हरको cos 2 alpha लाई 1 minus 2 sin square alpha फर्मुला युज गर्ने. एउटै चीजको पनि दुईटा फर्मुला राइट साइड हेरेर गर्नुपर्छ. If you use 2 cos square alpha minus 1, even in the denominator, it becomes a little bit long. कस्तो हुन्छ त 2 minus 2 cos square alpha आउँछ, फेरि 2 कमन लिनुपर्छ. So use cos 2 alpha, 2 cos square alpha minus 1 for the numerator, and for the denominator 1 minus 2 sin square alpha. If there is sin alpha or if there is tan alpha to prove, then you have to use according to what you have to get in the RHS. RHS मा के ल्याउनु पर्ने हो त्यो अनुसार गर्ने. Double angle formula. Question number 9C. Solve cos square. See, I just change the question. Beta by 3 minus cos beta by 3 plus 1 by 4 equals 0. Range 0 degree. Beta C pi radian. Or you can, for the short question, up to pi radian. See, cos square beta by 3 minus cos beta by 3 plus 1 by 4. What is in this form? Yeah, square छ. अब यो यसलाई square form मा र 1 by 4 पनि square form छ. You know, remember, this is actually without taking LCM. यसलाई LCM नलिकन गर्नुपर्छ. If you take LCM, it becomes lengthy, long हुन्छ. यसलाई perfect change into the perfect form. What is the perfect form? You remember a square minus twice ab plus b square equal a minus b whole square. You have to change. cos square beta by 3 can be written as cos beta by 3 whole square minus, what we have to write? Yeah, minus, write minus. There is plus, write plus. Twice a, what is a? What you see? यो स्क्वायर हटाएर के देखिन्छ? cos beta by 3 देखिन्छ. Twice cos beta by 3 into what is b? b को ठाउँमा के छ? b square छ. What is the square root of 1 by 4? अब b को स्क्वायर b square हो भने कुन नम्बरको स्क्वायर चाहिँ 1 by 4, that is 1 by 2. 2 to cancel, यही आउँछ फेरि plus 1 by 2 whole square equals 0. If there is 1 by 9, ये 1 by 3 को whole square, 1 by 25 छ भने 1 by 5 को whole square, 2 to the 4. Change into the form a square minus twice ab plus b square. A square minus twice ab plus b square. See, a minus b whole square form. A cos beta by 3 a and 1 by 2 is b. Cos beta by 3 minus 1 by 2 whole square equals 0, or remove the square. Cos beta by 3 minus half equal root 0, that is 0, or cos beta by 3 equal half. Again, add sugar to copy formula. Cos is positive in the first quadrant and last quadrant, or cos beta by 3 equal half is cos 60 degree and cos 360 degree minus 60 degree, because cos 60 degree is 1 by 2. यता cos भएपछि यता पनि cos हुनुपर्छ. Cos, if there is sin, you have to change. If there is sin, के लेख्नु पर्छ? sin beta by 3 छ भने अब sin 30 and sin 180 minus 30. If you remove cos from both sides, beta by 3 equal 60 degree and 300 degree. Cross multiply, beta equal 3 into 60, 180, 3 into 900. Then what to do? 900, what to do? You have to subtract 360 degree many times. 900 लाई 360 degree कति पल्ट घटाउन सकिन्छ? 360 multiplied 720, 081. So in both the cases, 180 degree or 900 minus 2 into 360 degree. That is in both the cases 180 degree, 180 degree. Therefore, beta equal 180 degree. Answer. You can check with the help of a calculator. अब हेर क्याल्कुलेटरबाट कसरी गर्ने त? यहाँ गएर चेक गर्ने. cos beta by 3 minus 1 by 2 0 आउँछ कि आउँदैन? Just check. यहाँनिर गएर चेक गर्नु त. बीटा को भ्यालु 180 डिग्री आउँछ. That यहाँनिर गएर बीटा को भ्यालु 180 by 3 is 60 degree. 180 by 3 भनेको 60 degree. Cos 60 degree is 1 by 2. Correct. Answer? Correct. So both the cases beta equal 180. यदि 360 भन्दा ठुलो आएमा यसलाई 360 को मल्टिपल माइनस गर्न सकिन्छ. For example, 1 into 360, 2 into 360, 3 into 360, 4 into 360, 4. यो 360 degree भनेको just 3. What is 360 degree? Just it is just like 0 degree. Now, next question is question number 16. Question number 16. For question number 16, you have to prove, and I'll write down 2 types of question. Prove that number A, sin square alpha minus cos square alpha into cos twice beta equal sin square beta minus cos square beta into cos 2 alpha. Alpha, alpha, beta, 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 alpha. So, अब हेरौँ यसमा what type of question is this? यो क्वेसनको फर्मेट हेरौँ. यसको फर्मेट हेर्दा यहाँ माइनस छ, देयर इज cos 2 beta, यहाँ cos 2 alpha ल्याउनु छ. टु प्रुभ RHS हेरौँ. sin square alpha minus cos square alpha into cos 2 beta equals sin square beta minus cos square beta into cos 2 alpha. Before solving the students have very less time, थोरै समय हुन्छ. cos 2 alpha को यो cos 2 beta को फर्मुला यो लेफ्ट साइडमा दुईटा हुन्छ. कुन राख्ने त 1 minus 2 sin square beta or 2 cos square beta minus दुईटा मध्ये कुन राख्ने? You have to choose. कुन राख्ने भन्दा यदि हामीले यो राख्यौं भने के होला? यहाँ माइनस छ, cos राख्यो भने ब्राकेट खोलिसकेपछि 1 आउँछ. ब्राकेट खोलिसकेपछि 1 आउने. यस्तो लेफ्ट ह्यान्ड साइड इज sin square alpha minus cos square alpha into cos 2 beta. कुन फर्मुला राख्ने? You have to think immediately. sin square alpha minus cos square alpha, which formula? ब्राकेट खोलिसकेपछि 1 आउने गरी फर्मुला राख्ने. So which formula? 2 cos square beta minus 1. 2 cos square beta minus 1. Why? Think why. If you remove the bracket, minus minus plus sin square alpha plus cos square alpha, 1 comes. But if you use the formula 1 minus 2 sin square beta by 2 beta, यो फर्मुला राख्यो भने के हुन्छ? Now the students are confused and what to do. अब कन्फ्युजन हुन्छ. यदि यहाँ अगाडि माइनस भए साइन भएको राख्ने, प्लस हुँदाखेरि माइनस भएको प्लस हुँदाखेरि के राख्ने? अहिले म यस्तै खालको एउटा गरिदिन्छु. 2 sin square alpha मल्टिप्लाई गर्दा राइट साइड हेर्ने cos 2 alpha. यता cos 2 beta छ, यहाँ cos 2 alpha ल्याउनलाई यसलाई मल्टिप्लाई कसरी गर्छ भन्दा अब यसलाई मैले यो 2 ले यसलाई गर्ने जस्तो 2 cos square alpha into cos square beta minus minus plus cos square alpha. यसो गर्ने 2 into cos square alpha, यो 2 ले यसलाई चाहिँ इन्टु गर्ने. सी राइट साइड cos 2 alpha ल्याउनु छ, cos 2 beta लाई छुट्याइदिने. 2 ले यसलाई चाहिँ मल्टिप्लाई गर्ने. फर्स्ट टाइम 2 cos square beta, now 2 cos square alpha into cos square beta minus minus plus cos square alpha. Now sin square alpha plus cos square alpha minus यहाँ हेर्ने cos square beta into 2 cos square alpha. Sin square alpha plus cos square alpha 1 minus cos square beta. Now what is the formula? Derived formula of cos 2 alpha. The derived formula of 2 cos 2 alpha is 1 plus cos twice alpha. But if there is 2 sin square alpha, 1 minus cos square alpha, 1 minus cos 2 alpha हुन्छ. cos को प्लस हुन्छ, sin को माइनस हुन्छ. 1 minus cos square beta minus plus minus cos square beta into cos 2 alpha. 1 minus cos square beta is sin square beta minus cos square beta into cos twice alpha. Right hand side proved. Right hand side proved. Then how to use the formula before solving? If there is minus, you have to change cos 2 beta into 2 cos square beta minus 1, so that If you remove the bracket, it comes in the form of sin square theta plus cos square theta, or sin square alpha plus cos square alpha. If you write 1 minus 2 sin square beta, now the students are confused. Cos 2 beta to cos square beta minus 1 bracket of sin square alpha plus cos square alpha 1. You have to change, you have to bring cos 2 alpha, so 2 cos square alpha should be written in 1 and cos square beta separate garne, separate. Now cos 2 cos square alpha is 1 plus cos 2 alpha. See right side, remove the bracket, 1 minus cos square beta sin square beta minus cos square beta into cos 2 alpha. Now I will do another formula, question number 16b. Question number 16b is question number 16b. I write down the form question. Cos square beta plus sin square beta cos 2 alpha equal beta beta alpha. Now cos square alpha plus sin square alpha into cos 2 beta. Again, cos 2 beta has two formulae. Which formula should be written here? Beta beta alpha, alpha alpha beta. First of all, write left hand side cos square beta plus sin square beta into cos 2 alpha. Now which formula should be written? Cos 2 alpha, two formulae, cos 2 alpha 1 minus 2 sin square alpha first formula, second 2 cos square alpha minus 1. यो ब्रैकेट खोलिसकेपछि, yes, cos square beta plus sin square beta is not 1 because there is into sin. Which formula should be written? Second formula? No. Why no? If you remove the bracket, 1 does not come. Bracket हटाइसकेपछि 1 आउँदैन. So the first formula is applicable. So cos square beta. In case of minus, या minus थियो 16a मा हेरौँ त, compare 16a. Same formula, same, but I will use cos 2 alpha, the first formula in terms of sin alpha. Cos square beta plus sin square beta into cos 2 alpha is this one or this one? First one is applicable to sin square alpha. Why? Students think, compare 16a. Question number 16a. Compare गरौँ त यसमा. cos 2 alpha को फर्मुला 2 cos square alpha minus 1 थियो. अहिले 1 minus 2 sin square alpha लेख्यो. किनभने यदि त्यो लेख्यो भने 1 आउँछ. cos square beta plus sin square beta minus यसलाई इन्टु गर्दा यहाँ cos 2 beta लिनु छ. त्यसले यो 2 ले यसलाई मल्टिप्लाई गर्ने, 2 sin square beta into sin square alpha. Now cos square beta plus sin square beta 1 minus, अब यसलाई अगाडि ल्याउने, sin square alpha into 2 sin square beta. 1 minus sin square alpha, 2 sin square beta is 1 minus cos 2 beta. Double angle formula derived गरेको. 1 minus sin square alpha plus sin square alpha into cos 2 beta bracket of 1 minus sin square alpha is cos square alpha plus sin square alpha into cos 2 beta, right hand side proved. अब 16a मा चाहिँ मैले cos 2 alpha लाई 2 cos square alpha minus 1 गरेको थिएँ, माइनस थियो, ब्रैकेट खोल्दा 1 आउँछ. यहाँ चाहिँ cos 2 alpha को फर्मुला 1 minus 2 sin square alpha लेख्यो किनभने त्यसरी ब्राकेट खोल्दा sin square बीटा प्लस cos square बीटा 1 हुने भएकोले यसै हामीले खोल्यौं र 2 sin square बीटा 1 minus cos 2 बीटा 2 cos square बीटा छ भने हामीले के गर्नु पर्छ 1 plus cos 2 बीटा गर्नु पर्छ अब बीटा बीटा अल्फा 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 बीटा प्लस साइन हुँदा cos लाई 1 minus 2 sin square alpha मा लेख्यो क्वेशन नम्बर 16 मा यहाँ माइनस साइन हुँदा cos 2 alpha को फर्मुला 2 cos square alpha minus 1 हुन्थ्यो के गरी 1 आउँछ अथवा सी राइट साइड ह्यान्ड साइड हेर्ने अनि हिसाबहरु गर्ने 16 नम्बर question number 16 now question number 17 question number 17 I just one question if a plus b plus c equal pi radian prove that cos a sin b sin c plus a हुँदा bc cos b sin c sin a plus cos c sin a sin b equal 1 plus cos a cos b cos c cos a cos b cos c 2 different sign cos a sin b sin c cos b sin c sin a plus cos c sin a sin b फर्स्ट सेकेन्ड मा हेरौं त फर्स्ट र सेकेन्ड मा व्हाट इज कमन sin c कमन लियो भने cos a sin b अनि cos b sin a हुन्छ so what you should do solution is this the solution is कमन लिँदाखेरि sin c कमन हुँदा ab अगाडि आउँछ that means a plus b plus c equal pi radian given or a plus b equal pi minus c a plus b equal pi minus c take sin and cos sin a plus b equal sin pi minus c sin c second quadrant sin positive and cos a plus b equal cos pi minus c equal minus cos c. If there is plus, there is minus. Now left hand side is cos a sin b sin c plus cos b sin c sin a plus cos c sin a sin b. What to do? From the first and second, take sin c common. If you take sin c common, what is left? Cos a sin b plus cos b sin a plus third term same. If you take sin c common, now you can just erase sin a cos b plus cos a sin b is sin a plus b. Compound angle formula plus third one is cos c into sin a sin b. Now what to do then? Then you have to write sin c. Sin a plus b is sin c plus cos c into sin a sin b. Because sin a plus b equal sin c already proved. Then what to do? Sin c into sin c sin square c plus cos c into sin a sin b. What is to prove? RHS C RHS cos 1 plus cos a cos b cos c. अब यहाँ there is no cos c छ यहाँ पनि cos c छ sin square c many students are confused. यहाँ गएर confusion हुन्छ. To avoid confusion, what is to prove? 1 ल्याउनु छ. So sin square c is 1 minus cos square c plus cos c into sin a sin b. See, change sin square c into 1 minus cos square c, so that we can take cos c common. Now 1 plus यसलाई अगाडि ल्याउने, cos c into sin a sin b minus cos square c, arranging, so that you can take common. By taking common, पछाडिको अगाडि यसलाई चाहिँ पछाडि ल्याउने. Now take common. First of all, a plus b plus c equal pi. A plus b equal pi minus c. Take sin and cos. Sin a plus b, sin c. Cos a plus b minus cos c. Take left side. Take from the first and second expression, take sin c common. Remaining is cos a sin b plus cos b sin a. That means if you arrange sin a cos b plus cos a sin b, sin a plus b, compound angle formula, third expression same. Sin c, sin a plus b sin c, sin c sin c sin square c. Change sin square c into 1 minus cos square c, and now the third expression in here, and this one is written here, arranging. Now take, what to do? Take cos c common. अब यसमा cos c common लिने. If you take cos c common, 1 plus cos c common, what is remaining? Sin a sin b is remaining, minus cos c is 1 plus cos c into, now what you do? Sin a sin b minus cos c plus cos a plus b, already proved. Cos a plus b already proved. Cos c equal sin a sin b plus cos a plus b. What is the formula of cos a plus b? Cos को उल्टो हुन्छ, अर्थात cos a cos b minus sin a sin b हुन्छ. Plus हुँदा minus, minus हुँदा plus. Cos a plus b is cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Cos को cos cos sin sin, sin को sin cos cos sin. Technique to remember: cos a plus b cos cos sin sin, plus को minus, minus को plus. Cos a plus b, cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. If there is cos a minus b, you have to write cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. Cancel. Now 1 plus cos a cos b cos c RHS proved. In this way, you can prove. First of all, from first and second, take common, and sin a plus b sin c, sin c sin c sin square c, that is 1 minus cos square c. Arrange गर्ने, यसलाई पछाडि र पछाडि गएर अगाडि ल्याउने. Take cos c common, sin a sin b minus cos c, minus cos c, and minus cos c is cos a plus b, that is cos a cos b minus sin a sin b, sin a sin b, cancel, plus minus, and 1 plus cos a cos b cos c RHS proved. Question number 17. Question number 18. Question number 18 is this one. Just let me write down the question. The question is as follows: a vertical pole is divided by a point in the ratio of 1:9 from the bottom. if both the segments subtend equal angles at a point 20 meter away from the foot of the pole. Find its height. So the question is, a vertical pole is divided by a point in the ratio of 1:9 from the bottom if both the segments subtend equal angles at a point 20 meter away from the foot of the pole. Find its height. See, a little bit from the foot of the pole, find its height. Whose height? Now, how to draw the rough figure? First of all, rough figure हेर्ने एउटा भर्टिकल पोल छ नेपालीमा एउटा भर्टिकल पोल यसलाई यसरी गर्ने यो भर्टिकल पोल छ यसलाई चाहिँ एउटा पोइन्टले डिभाइड गरेको छ कुन रेशियोमा 1:9 को रेशियोमा तलबाट डिभाइड गर्नु अर्थात् यसलाई 1:9 यो 1 माथिको 9x पार्नु 20 मिटर परबाट 20 मिटर ग्राउन्डको परबाट के गर्छ त यसले र यसले यो पार्ट र यो पार्टले इक्वल एंगल बनाउँछन् यसरी इक्वल एंगल बनाउँछन् 20 मिटर परबाट भने यो हाइट कति होला A vertical pole is divided by a point in the ratio of 1:9 from the bottom if both the segments subtend equal angles at a point 20 meters away from the foot of the pole. Find its height. How to draw the diagram? To draw the diagram, first of all, I'll just rub the whole one. See, 1:9 को रेशियोमा एउटा डिभाइड गर्छ भर्टिकल पोल 20 meters away 1:9 make A B C D. BD is a vertical pole. What is this? This one is a pole. The point C, there is a point C on the pole. यो पोलको एउटा पोइन्टमा छ त्यसले के गर्छ त भन्दा त्यो पोललाई चाहिँ तल ग्राउन्डबाट 1:9 को रेशियोमा डिभाइड गर्छ र यो सेक्सनले यो सेगमेन्ट र यो सेगमेन्टले इक्वल एंगल बनाउँछन् इक्वल एंगल भन्नाले थीटा थीटा बनाउँछ भने व्हाट इज द हाइट अफ द पोल 20 मिटर व्हाट इज द हाइट अफ द पोल कति होला ल Before solving the problem, you have to take triangle ABC first of all. ABC. Make let 1x and 9x be the parts. We subtend equal angle theta. त्यो सपोज गर्ने ट्रायंगल ABC लिने फेरि ट्रायंगल ABD लिने यो थीटा लिने थीटा प्लस थीटा 2 थीटा हुन्छ अनि डबल एंगल फर्मुला सिंगल एंगल formula in triangle ABC, double angle formula in triangle ABD लिने tan 2 theta को formula 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. Find the value of x and find the value of tan x. What is the solution? A vertical pole is divided by a point in the. What is the vertical pole? First of all, think this one vertical pole. Let BD be a vertical pole. Question is यो फिगर बनाउने तरिका vertical pole यसरी बनाउने कसरी बनाउने यसरी vertical pole बनाउने यहाँ एउटा पोइन्ट छ यो पोइन्टले 20 मिटर पर इक्वल एंगल बनाउँछन् 1:9x 1:9 को रेसियोमा भर्टिकल पोललाई डिभाइड गरेको छ. लेट BD be a vertical pole of point C divides it. Here it means the pole in the ratio of 1:9 from its foot B. पोल भर्टिकल पोल BD को फुट भनेको बटम अथवा तल्लो भाग फेद बीले तलबाट ग्राउन्डबाट माथितिर BC/CD चाहिँ 1:9 को रेसियोमा डिभाइड गर्छ. द्याट इज इट मिन्स BC/CD इक्वल 1:9 यो छ. नाउ व्हाट टु डु देन अब यसरी गर्छ भने लेट गर्नुपर्छ. लेट BC इक्वल 1:9 छ भने 1x and CD equal 9x. And these two parts BC and CD make equal angles. What are the equal angles made by BC and CD? Let angle BAC equal angle CAD equal theta, because the two segments BC and CD make equal angle theta at a distance of 20 meter from the foot B of the pole. पोल को फेद B बाट 20 मिटर टाढाबाट के गर्छ त यो BC र CD ले इक्वल एंगल थीटा बनाउँछ. सो द लेट द इक्वल एंगल बी angle BAC equal theta and angle CAD also theta. See, यो underline गर्नुपर्छ. यहाँ के लेख्नु पर्यो? Divided by a point in the ratio of 1:9, 1x 9x गर्ने. 4:3, 4x 3x. 2:5, 2x and 5x. Both the segments subtend make equal angles. यो equal angle भन्नाले these two angles are equal. Let BC equal 1x, CD equal 9x, and total height is 10x. Now I just rub it. Can you remember what is there? To continue, I draw the diagram here. Again, name ABCD. This is theta, this is 20 meter, this is 1x, this is 9x. Now what you have to do? Now AB equal 20 meter and BD equal BC plus CD. Whole part 6. BC is 1x, CD is 9x. This is 10x. Now take two triangles ABC. First of all, ABC मा लिने. In triangle ABC, tan theta equal BC by AB. P by B. के हुन्छ? tan theta BC by AB हुन्छ. or tan theta BC 1x. AB is 20 meter. 1 is not necessary. So x by 20 equation number 1. अब अहिले मिटर लेख्नु पर्दैन. You have to write down meter at last. Remember, always in science you have learned unit and measurement, and after writing you have to give the proper unit of each and every physical quantity. Tan theta x by 20 in triangle ABC. In triangle ABD, tan, see one thing, angle BAD equal theta plus theta 2 theta. Just given, it is given. In triangle ABD, tan 2 theta equal What is tan 2 theta? Tan 2 theta whole BD by AB. BD by AB. Just I do BD by AB, or tan 2 theta double angle formula 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta equal BD. BD is 10x by 20, x by 2. Now 2, what is the value of tan theta? X by 20, x by 20, 1 minus x by 20 whole square equal x by 2. 2 because tan theta equal x by 20 from equation number 1. Put the value of tan theta equal x by 20 here. Tan 2a is 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square. If there is theta, 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta, 2 tan theta x by 20, 1 minus x by 20 whole square equal x by 20. Or you can cancel x and x. Why you cancel? Because x cannot be 0. X को value 0 हुन सक्दैन. So you can cancel. What is left? Now cancelling x and cancelling these two. What you get? 2 to काट्दा र x cancel गर्दा 1 by 10 upon 1 minus x square by 400 equal x. Left side x ro right side x काट्न सकिन्छ because x is not 0. Or this is the numerator, this is the denominator. 1 by 10, take LCM, 400 minus x square by 400 equal 1 by 2. Or 1 by 10 into reciprocal, do reciprocal, 400 by 400 minus x square equal 1 by 2. You can cancel, but you cannot cancel this 0 and this 0, minus sum. Now cross multiply. 2 into 40, 80 equal 400 minus x square, or x square equal 400 minus 80. Collecting like terms, x on the left side, number on the right side, or x square equal 400 minus 80, 320, or x equal under root 320, or you can write 64 into 5 or 8 root 5. What is the value of x? 8 root 5. Or you can write in the point form. What is the height? Total height BD equal 10x, 10 into 8 root 5, 80 root 5 meter. What is the height of the pole? The height of the pole is 80 root 5 meter. Or if you want in the point form, you can write in the point form also. See, point form, decimal 80 root 5 equal 178.88 or 178.88 meter nearly. What you have to do? There is a vertical pole BD. C divides BD in the ratio of 1:9, means BC equal 1x, CD equal 9x. Total height 10x. BC and segments BC and CD make equal angles, means angle BAC equal theta, angle CAD equal theta. In triangle ABC, take tan theta equal BC by AB. Your triangle ABC मा लिने x by 20 गर्ने. In triangle BAD, tan 2 theta equal BD by AB. Tan 2 theta formula 2 tan theta upon 1 minus tan square theta, double angle use गर्ने र double angle use गरिसकेपछि put the value of tan theta equal to x by 20 and simplify it just by using the mathematical rule. Just put the value of tan theta, simplify, cross multiply, x square equal 320, x equal 8 root 5. So what is the total height of the pole? The total height of the pole is 10x, means therefore the height of the pole is BD equal 178.88 meters, or some students can write 80 root 5 meter. Nearly. Finally, you have to write nearly. This was for today.